Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam download that keeps stopping and starting. A Steam download that repeatedly stops and starts can be extremely frustrating, especially when your internet connection appears to be working normally. In many cases, the issue is not caused by the download server itself. Instead, it can be related to corrupted download cache files, storage device behavior, temporary Steam client issues, or interruptions in the way Steam writes data to your hard drive. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try before resorting to more drastic measures. When you first open Steam, begin by clicking the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This opens the Steam Settings window, where you can manage various client and download-related options. Next, navigate to Downloads. The Downloads section contains settings that control how Steam handles game downloads, updates, and download storage. Within this section, locate and click Clear Cache. Steam stores temporary download information in a local cache to improve efficiency. However, if this cache becomes corrupted or contains incomplete data, it can cause downloads to behave unpredictably, including repeatedly stopping and restarting. When you choose to clear the cache, Steam will display a confirmation message and inform you that the client needs to restart. Click Confirm. Steam will then restart automatically. After the restart is complete, sign back into Steam if necessary and test the download again. In many situations, clearing the download cache resolves interruptions because it forces Steam to create a fresh download session and remove potentially damaged temporary files. If the download continues to stop and start after clearing the cache, the next step is to investigate the storage device. Open Device Manager. Within Device Manager, expand Disk Drives. You will see the storage devices installed on your system. Locate the hard drive or SSD that Steam uses for game installations. Right-click the drive and select Properties. This opens the device configuration window. Next, switch to the Policies tab. Within this section, you may see one or more options that have checkmarks enabled. For this workflow, remove the checkmarks and click OK. These settings are related to how Windows handles data writing and storage performance. In some situations, storage configuration settings can contribute to interruptions during large downloads, particularly when Steam is constantly downloading, unpacking, and writing files to disk at the same time. After applying the changes, restart the computer if necessary and test the Steam download again. It is also important to understand that Steam downloads do not always proceed at a perfectly constant rate. During installation, Steam may temporarily pause downloading while it verifies files, unpacks compressed data, allocates storage space, applies updates, and writes large amounts of data to the drive. During these moments, it may appear that the download has stopped even though Steam is actively working in the background. A useful way to check this is by opening Task Manager and monitoring disk activity. If disk usage remains high while download activity pauses, Steam is often processing files rather than experiencing a true download failure. To summarize, fixing a Steam download that keeps stopping and starting begins by opening Steam, Settings, Downloads, and selecting Clear Cache. After confirming the restart, test the download again. If the issue persists, open Device Manager, navigate to Disk Drives, open the properties of your storage device, and review the Policies tab. For this workflow, remove the enabled checkmarks and click OK. These steps help eliminate corrupted download data and potential storage-related interruptions that can cause downloads to repeatedly pause and resume. And that's how to fix a Steam download that keeps stopping and starting. By clearing Steam's download cache and reviewing your storage device settings, you can resolve many of the most common causes of interrupted downloads. Combined with a healthy internet connection and sufficient disk performance, these adjustments can help Steam download games more smoothly and consistently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.